Hey everyone, I'm Cheyne with Cornerstone Solutions. One of the most common points of confusion that we get in Zoho Inventory is the difference between standard items and composite items. People ask, where does inventory live? What gets tracked? What happens when you sell? I'll show a quick example using a dining set that makes this click. I'll start with the standard items spreadsheet. These represent the physical components we actually track inventory for, like dining chairs, a tabletop, and a set of table legs. Each row here is a real inventory item with its own cost and its own stock on hand. I've highlighted fields in red that are required for import and fields in yellow that are really important to fill out. These fields are here to help you manage inventory accurately and avoid issues later on, like the item name, SKU, selling price, unit, purchase price, item type, opening stock. And again, these are just the sample import files with some custom data that I spun up to showcase this. Next, let's jump to the sample item spreadsheet. At first glance, you might notice that it looks repetitive. That's intentional. Even though this is one composite item, each component needs its own row. So in this example, the same composite item appears multiple times, once for each mapped item, along with the quantity used in that bundle. Just like before, red fields are required, yellow fields are strongly recommended. You can see the mapped item name, map quantity. I'll quickly scroll through and hit those. A quick note, the composite item ID can be left blank because that's a Zoho generated number. Now let's move on to the Zoho inventory itself. I've already uploaded both the standard items and the composite items so you can see how they look in the system. Here are the standard items, the chairs, the tabletop, and the table legs, each with their own stock levels. And here's the composite item as well. You'll notice it appears both under both items and composite items. Even though it's one item you sell, it's actually made up of those underlying components. This is really the connection between how you sell something and how inventory is actually used. When this composite item is sold, Zoho automatically deducts inventory from the component items based on those quantities. The key takeaway is simple. Standard items represent physical inventory. Composite items represent how you sell those items together. Keeping that separation clear makes inventory easier to manage and helps prevent mistakes as you scale.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.